how to create a website for your business using Wix. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a website for your business. In this video, we are going to create a website for consultant business, and this is the preview of the website that we are going to create today. And I'll be showing you step by step how to create a professional looking website. So first of all, you have to sign up for using Wix, and after sign up you will be brought to my site, and here are the sites that I have created before. So go to create new sites, and then we have to enter the site name, which I'll be writing my business name. And then site type, which is a consultant, and then site goals. Consultant, so which type of consultant? So I'll be choosing business management consultant. And then site goal is to promote a business and offer services. And then next. And after that we have two options, either to begin with a template or let Wix create a site for us. In this option we just have to answer some question and Wix website builder will create a site for us. But for now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be going with a template. And these are the available template for the industry that we have chosen. And take your time, just look around and choose that fits your industry better. And for a website, its design and template is a very important thing. So for today I'm going to choose this one, and we can also preview it before we start designing it, but for now I'll go with edit. Now it's time to add content to our website, and I'll start by changing my business name. And for that I just have to double click on this text, and then after that I'll change this brief description of my business. And after that I'm going to bold business name, and we can also italicize it, underline it, change font color, highlight it, change font size, font type, and many more things from here. Now next I'll change this section. So first of all I will change business name. And then comes this button. You can embed a link to more about this section with this button, and with this button you can embed a form related to this section. And then comes our contact section, and we have to provide all of our information here. So again I'm going to change business name. And then we have our subscribe form, and if you want to add more information to this form, then you can just simply do from the form setting here. And after that, here goes the address, email, and telephone number. And after all of this, you can also add links to social media to give a look about your work to the visitors and to show them what you have to offer. You can also add more pages to our website, like an about page, insights, contact page, and if you want to add or remove any of these pages, then you can simply do that from here. And after that we have Wix business here, where we can add Wix chat and Wix pay to our website, but this feature is only accessible if we have an upgraded version. So once our website is ready, so the last step is to preview it. So now I'm going to preview our website from here. And here's the desktop preview of our website. And now we will preview it in mobile version. So this is how it looks in mobile phone. And once everything looks as you wanted, then go back to editor. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. So I wanted to take a quick moment to share some tools which we use to create videos and websites for our online presence. We are using this tool for several months now, and it has made our life so much easier, and we know it will do the same for you. The best part is, if you go to our links, you will get a special discount as well. Therefore, please check those products and links in the description of this video. And the important thing about a website is to connect a domain, which is accessible from here, but only if you own any domain. And even though you don't have any domain, Wix provides one to you. So now the last step is to publish our website. So this is the link to our website, and you can also book your meetings with this website. Now our website is published, and this was just an example of website that you can build using Wix. And there are many more options for creating a website on Wix, and we also have video on them too. So go and check them out. Hope you